Brian called,
Paradise on Earth.
said their drivers were complaining about the loading dock here. They don't want to pay to repair it completely just yet, so we got it all cleaned up. All these concrete edges, so there's space for the asphalt to go. And we're gonna come out to about here with it, so we can sort of make a smooth transition. We got all the way back here and a little guy over here. We're gonna spray down some black mac. This is the asphalt glue. Smooth transition, no bumps.
The Outer Banks. Paradise on Earth.